Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the additional. The additional in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday. Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. So it's the additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one. 3 stars Sudoku. Number 7552. 7552. And this one, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. I think it's rather a 0 stars because the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, the 3 stars is 25. And for 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit 1, number 1. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 6, need a 9. Need a 8 there, 8 there. Need a 2 here. Wow. We have a 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4, 6, 8, okay. Interesting. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well, we have here. Need an 8 here. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 can be... Nope. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. And now, can I count? No. Still, I cannot count. How about? Need a 2 here. Alright. Need a 9 here. Alright. Need a... Interesting. How about these 2 missing numbers? 2 missing numbers in this middle column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. And I need a 6, and I need a 8 here. Ooh. 4, 4, 4, 4. Well. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 3 here. No 3 here, no 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle. Well, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 6 goes there. Then 6. Need a 6 here. And I need 5 here. 6, 4, and 8. Come on. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 3 and a 2. 2. Need a 2 there, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row. First row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9. Okay. And now. Need an 8 here. How about the 7 here? Need 7 there. 7. Come on. Alright. 4. And I need a... Wow. 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 7 there. 2, 7, 6, and an 8. Need a 6 there. And I need a 8 could be everywhere. Well, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 8, and a 9. 9 can be here. 9, 8, and a 9. 9. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 3 here. 3. 1, 5. I'm stuck. Let me put some numbers here. Need a two there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next on last column only. 2 place level 2. Could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 here or there. No. Seven in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 place level 7. Could be here, could be there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only place level 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 in these 3 marks. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3, 5. Okay. So the 7 should be here. Come on. Need a 4, need a 8, need a 6. 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6. 4, 8, 6, and 4, 8, 6, and 9. Need a 9. 4, missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. 8 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 here, also 4 and the 6. We have a pair here. That means 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Well, okay. Well. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 4, 4, 4. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So last row, the only place left, the 4 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 4, a 6. We have a 6 now. So this box should be a 4. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 3 here, need a 2, and I need a 9 here. 2, 3, 9. Okay, need a 2, 9, and a 3 here. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, I only 2 place level 9. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 8 or a 9. Wow. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. 2, need a 2 there, need a 7 here. 5. Do we have all the 5s? Yeah. How about the 4 then? Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. Here we need also a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in. So with 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. The only two places left with 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. Alright, 8 or 9. We have an 8 now, so this box should be a 9. 8 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box can be 9 anymore. This box should be an 8. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So the first row, though, need to place level 8. Should be there, or should be there, or here. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the most. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only two place level 6 should be here or there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 place level. The 2 should be here or there. I cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And nope, not the final 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 14-30 minutes, so not longer than 20 minutes. Not more than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars here. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.